So this is the step-by-step for general payroll. Number 1, highlights total amount, then highlights rendered 21 to 22. After ma-highlights, type asterisk and highlights rendered 1,000,000 to 818,018, then enter. Number 2, highlights rate minute equals, and then highlights rendered 1,000,000 to 818,018, and go to formula type /8/60, then enter. Step number 3, highlights the total, then equals, then highlights number of minute. After ana, highlights ang rate minute, then enter. Step number 4, highlights net from late equals highlights total amount. Then after that, highlights and total, then enter. Step number 5, highlights deduction equals, then highlights MPL plus highlights HDMF, and enter. Step number 6, highlights amount received equals, then highlights total amount net from late, then minus highlights total deduction, and enter. That's all.
First, when you make a brochure, you need to put a Biliran Province State University School of Arts and Sciences because that is your department. Then next is our contact. That one. Then when you open this one also, you can see the why should one study a Bachelor of Arts in Economics. Studying Bachelor of Arts in Economics provides versatile career option in finance, government, and international organization by developing strong analytical, quantitative, and critical thinking skills. This degree equips you to understand markets, analyze complex issues, and adapt to economic changes, preparing you for further study in fields like law and business. Ultimately, it enables you to contribute to economic and social progress by analyzing policies and understanding global economic challenges. Then this side is why choose Biliran Province State University. Biliran State University, which is BEPSU, offers numerous advantages including diverse academic programs in fields like engineering, education, technology, and arts and sciences, along with a strong commitment to research and innovation aimed at addressing societal issues. Recognized for its dedication to quality education, BEPSU supports students' academic and personal development and has achieved international recognition as one of the top universities in the Philippines. Emphasizing community engagement through various activities and programs, BEPSU fosters a vibrant campus life, making it a compelling choice for students seeking a quality education and supportive academic environment. So that's it. Then, when you close that one, Bachelor of Arts in Economics, that one. You back it is the school vision, mission, and core values. Vision, mission, core values. That's it. Thank you.